Emotional eating and drinking are ways many people cope with stress, sadness, boredom, anxiety, loneliness, or even celebration. They're not about hunger or thirst, but about seeking comfort or distraction through food or alcohol. Stress raises cortisol, which increases cravings for high-fat, sugary foods. Comfort foods and alcohol trigger dopamine, the brain's feel-good chemical. Using treats to self-soothe can become a deeply ingrained emotional pattern. Eating or drinking masks emotional discomfort instead of addressing the root issue. Poor sleep and blood sugar swings can lower self-control and increase cravings. How to keep it under control? Please like, share, and subscribe. Ask yourself, am I physically hungry or am I feeling something else? Keep a food and mood journal to notice patterns. Set a timer for 10 to 15 minutes before giving in to an urge. Often the feeling passes. Walk, journal, call a friend, listen to music, do deep breathing or yoga. Avoid blood sugar crashes by eating protein, fiber, and healthy fats regularly. Keep trigger foods out of the house. Plan indulgences intentionally, not impulsively. Therapy or coaching can help explore underlying triggers or unresolved trauma. If emotional eating or drinking has reached a late or severe phase, meaning it's chronic, disrupting your health, relationships, or mental well-being, then it's time to approach it more seriously and compassionately. Then, late-stage emotional eating or drinking often masks depression, trauma, anxiety, or burnout. It's not about willpower, it's about unmet emotional needs or unresolved pain. Therapist, especially one trained in CBT, trauma or eating disorders, helps uncover emotional patterns and develop healthier coping tools. Registered dietitian, particularly with experience in disordered eating, can help you repair your relationship with food. Addiction specialist if drinking is excessive and hard to control. In the later phases, people often bounce between binging and, really harsh restriction. The key is to shift towards having stable, regular meals that include enough protein, fat, and fiber. This approach helps regulate your blood sugar and mood, which can really reduce those emotional highs and lows. Try these if you can. Breathwork or grounding exercises when urges come up. Journaling, asking yourself, what am I really feeling right now? Even short walks or a bit of movement can interrupt the pattern, and, of course, talking to a friend or support group can make a real difference. So clear your space of binge trigger foods or alcohol if possible. Use a structured routine. Set meal times, sleep times, and downtime. And, avoid multitasking while eating. Try to eat mindfully and slow. In late-stage patterns, relapse is actually part of recovery. What really matters is getting back up, not being perfect. If you feel out of control, hopeless, or self-destructive, or if it's impacting your physical health, like weight swings, liver problems, or fatigue, or you're isolating or hiding your behavior, then in these cases, call a helpline, talk to a therapist, or reach out to a trusted person. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.